Unspeakable, the science dude. Unspeakable, 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 the science dude. Unspeakable, the science dude. Unspeakable, 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 the science dude. Unspeakable. For our first experiment, we have water, soap, and butane fuel. I need some expertise. I don't know what I'm doing.
I've never done it.
Wow. Oh, it's gonna overflow. It's overflowing. It's overflowing. It's overflowing. It's overflowing. It's wow. It's overflowing.
Now put your hand. No. You're gonna stick your hand in the side of it, go all the way to the bottom, move your hand a little bit, like scrub the bottom a little bit, and then come up slowly.
You need to do it. You need to give me a demonstration. You are an experienced science person. Science dude. This is James's experiment. This isn't mine.
Get your hands soapy.
Okay. Okay, so James now has a handful of bubbly butane bubbles. And now you are going to... Why are you getting so close to me? Back up.
Okay, I just hope this works. And that's how you make fiery bubbles.
Don't do this at all. Oh my god. Experiment number 2 coming up.
Okay, so we're just gonna light the whole bowl. Woo. Wow, that's amazing. It's just on fire. And I believe that was it.
Science rules. For our second experiment, we're going to be making a lava lamp. Now we have water in this bottle, and then we have baby oil, we have food coloring, and we have Alka-Seltzer. We're going to do the water in there first. As you can see, the water's already in there. And then we're gonna add in the food coloring. Now we're gonna add in some more. We're gonna make some green, nice swampy dark green. It's almost like black.
That's definitely green.
You have to science it, bro.
Science. Wow. Now we're going to add in our baby oil. Wow. This might take a bit. There it is. Almost done. All right, so now, as you can see, this is what our bottle looks like. Now we're gonna take our Alka-Seltzer.
And what are we gonna do with this Alka-Seltzer?
We are going to crunch it up and put it inside our lava lamp. So we have all our tablets all cracked up, and we are going to just drop them all in. And then it's gonna start bubbling. Look at that, it's actually sick.
You gotta shake it up a little.
Look at this.
Okay.
Lava lamp bubbles going crazy all over the place. That's crazy, they like go up and then they come back down. It's like an actual lava lamp, just without the heat.
Let's throw more in there. Let's see how much
more
we can put in there.
Just some bubbles.
Okay, just some bubbles. Go, throw them in, throw them in, throw them in. More.
Cap it!
There we go, now it's going crazy, oh my gosh. Are we trying to do more? We just keep going. Throw them in. Oh, it's exploding. Oh, wow. Oh, it's going crazy.
Okay.
That is super cool. Wow, science. So much science. I just can't wrap my head around it. Look at all those bubbles. All right, well, that was the lava lamp, and on to our next experiment. For our next experiment, we have Coca-Cola bottles and baking soda.
Just baking soda.
Just baking soda.
Straight up baking soda.
And Diet Coke. That is it. Oh, you're already going?
Better than Coke and Mentos.
Dude, that's insane.
Let's try and get one to shoot as high as we can.
Well, the problem is we're out of Coke now, so.
No way.
Yeah. On to the next experiment. All right, I lied. We got more Coca-Cola. And we're going to compare Coke and Mentos versus Coke and baking soda. So, Gabe, you're gonna do the Mentos, and then we'll do the baking soda. So go ahead and do your Mentos. Mentos and Diet Coke. Wow, that's just sad.
I did cut slits in the wrapper.
That's just sad. All right, let me show you. Let me show you.
Not that amazing.
Let me show you how it's done.
It's already done fizzing. It's got a little. Oh wow, what the heck?
Wow, that was bigger than the first one. So now we are making a funnel. We're trying to pour this whole thing in here. All right, you ready? Let go of it. Oh! Honestly, the one that we did earlier was better, but that was still way better than the Mentos. On to the next experiment. For our next experiment, we're gonna be putting soap in the microwave. Soap doesn't belong in the microwave,
No.
but today we're gonna see what happens. Got 2 bars of soap there. How long should I put it in for?
I really don't know.
6 minutes. Let's see what happens to the soap. I'm scared. All right, we are just about 20 seconds in. Oh, what is it doing?
There it goes.
It's happening.
Oh, look at it.
It's morphin time.
It's like 4 times the size.
It's growing.
Oh my God.
It's still going.
I wonder if it's gonna smell good or bad. Oh no, I smell it. I smell it now. It smells terrible.
Getting kind of big.
Yeah, I think.
Is it still growing?
Yeah, it's still growing.
Oh boy.
I think it is.
Can't tell.
Yeah, it smells really bad. Okay, let's
Wow.
look at that.
Touch it.
Looks like whipped cream.
What's it feel like?
Oh, that's so weird.
Is it like cotton candy?
It's like a cloud.
I would
It's like
assume
a-
it's kind of cotton candy-ish.
Kind of like a cotton candy feel. It's not very hot.
Yes, it is. What you mean it's hot?
I mean, it just came out of the microwave, dude. Come on. That is so weird. Yeah, it's hot.
Okay, it just came out the microwave. It's not hot.
On to the next experiment. James, explain to me what we're about to do here.
I'll make bubbles.
We're gonna make bubbles. So we have water, dish soap, and dry ice. So I'm gonna grab a piece of dry ice.
Bubbles.
Look at that! Bubbles. Bubbles. Do we need more dry ice?
I think we're
I
good.
think, yeah, I think we got enough.
What's this supposed to do?
What is this supposed to do?
That's a bubble.
It is bubbling. What you mean?
Oh, that's so sick. Look at this.
Oh. Oh.
What do you
Wow.
do? Okay.
Wow.
Is that enough soap?
Wow. What is your plan with all this soap?
I don't really know exactly what James is trying to do.
I don't know
here.
either.
Trying to make one big bubble.
One big bubble. I think we need some more dry ice.
Oh, wow, that's a big piece. I think part of it's sticking out. It's sticking out.
Need more H2O. It's like a volcano.
Let's see if we can do this again. I will succeed.
Oh, those are some big bubbles. Those are a lot bigger.
Oh.
Ooh, look at that one. Look at that. Look at that. Is that what you were trying to do the whole
Yes.
time? Oh, we got a couple big bubbles.
You really wanted to pop it, didn't you?
I want to pop it.
Hold on, hold on. Let's see if we can cut it off. Here, put your hand there.
Oh.
Where?
Oh.
Oh, it's flowing off. Where am I putting my hand?
Just try to pick it up. Or here, dip your hand in the soap and get your hand soapy. Oh my gosh, you're stop being.
I don't want to touch the dry ice. It's
Alright.
extremely cold.
It's not.
I have the bubbles.
Close the wings off.
I can do like a little magic trick. You see bubbles, right? What bubbles?
Here's all my bubbles. Now what bubbles? What are you talking about?
Some more bubbles.
Reloading.
Some more bubbles.
Reloading.
Some more
Reloading. Well, now that we have made a giant mess.
bubbly mess. Let's give
That's
us,
pretty cool though.
let's give us a round of applause.
This is our next experiment. We are going to be making sand waterproof.
With some Scotch Guard heavy duty water shield. Alright, so let's just make this a nice even coat.
This is some natural play sand.
So we're just gonna give it a real good shake and a real good spray.
Oh, it smells
I'm gonna walk away now.
Why didn't we do this inside?
I don't know.
I'll put this outside.
Spatula!
Spatula! All right, so we're gonna stir our sand because, well, there's a bunch of sand on the bottom that has not been touched. In order for this to work successfully, every grain has to be sprayed.
Truly beautiful.
Thank you. Almost feel like I'm cooking up a nice dessert. What do we do now, Gabe?
Spray that sand!
This can't be healthy.
Waterproof lungs.
Now what do we do, Gabe?
Stir that sand! I said stir, not stab.
Okay, sorry. Our sand is dry.
Yeah, moment of truth.
See if it works.
We'll put the sand in, and I'm gonna take it out, and it's
Soaking wet.
Yeah,
It's soaking wet.
it is.
Soaking wet.
Maybe it was just a bad handful of sand.
Not every science experiment goes as planned.
Exactly. You don't learn without failure.
So that is our sand in our water.
Oh, you're going in?
Oh, you already got a sandy hand, so.
Yeah.
What are you laughing at?
Yeah, this totally did not work. This totally did not work.
This is not what is supposed to happen. It's supposed to stay in one form. Like if you made a ball with the sand and you dropped it in, it would stay a ball.
You know, maybe if we would have did it in the pool, it would have worked.
At least I can do something cool, right?
Wow, look at that! Oh my gosh!
Did you see that tornado?
Alright.
Wow!
Next
Okay,
experiment,
I'm leaving.
we failed. I'm sorry, it happens. Not everything in life is perfect. So for our next experiment, we have some acetone and we have some styrofoam cups. I'll just show you guys what happens. Look at that.
What happened to the cup, Unspeakable?
I don't know, it's science. The cup is literally gone.
How many cups can we fit in there?
1 cup,
2 cups,
2 cups,
3 cups.
3 cups, 4 cups, 5 cups, 6 cups, 7,
We're like 8. There's 10 or so.
9 cups,
11.
11 cups, 13 cups, 27. Yeah, you get the point. It literally completely melts. Yeah, throw the whole stack in there. Push down and watch it slowly just disintegrate.
Layer by layer.
Layer by layer.
The middle.
That's so crazy. I'll just pour some right on the top. Look at it just melted away. And that is all we got. Look at it just melted away. If I push it down, slowly melted in there. Look at that.
And that was a
That is
whole bag
crazy.
of cups.
That was a whole bag of cups.
Didn't say how,
many-
51 cups.
There's 51 cups in here.
Now what do we do with this?
I don't know. So this is our next experiment. Gabe, I want you to explain what are we about to do.
Okay, so we're going to use some powdered sugar, some baking soda, and we're gonna mix that up into a powder. And we have some sand in a bowl here. We're gonna pour lighter fluid on the sand, and then we're gonna put this on top of the sand. We're gonna light it on fire, and it's going to grow like, you know those fireworks? I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but those fireworks where you light them and then they kind of black snake. Yeah, they'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
It's really hard to explain.
It is hard to
That's
explain.
a lot of sugar. Okay.
Is that enough?
That's more than enough. You know, I brought a measuring thing here for a reason.
I didn't know how much we needed.
Yeah, baking soda.
Baking soda! Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
There is a recipe to this, but here on Unspeakable Vlogs, we don't like recipes apparently.
We just DIY it.
We just make it happen. And we're gonna do this outside, so.
Yeah, we should probably do this outside. All right, so we'll be doing this in the bathtub.
Pour that powder! Just stop whenever you feel like you should stop.
All right, I feel like that's good. Should I do more? What do you think?
Well, I mean, we can always do it again if it's really, really cool.
We'll do more. All right, let's see this happen.
I got a little piece going.
It's doing something, kinda. Well, if you see here, nothing is happening so far. Wait, we got something. Turn my hat forward for this.
I see little bits growing.
It's kind of working.
It's supposed to be way cooler than this.
Yeah, this is lame. I want to say this is a fail. Let me just, yeah, maybe a little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah, I want to consider this a fail.
Okay, so we looked up the recipe. We have the proper powder recipe.
The exact proper recipe. Am I right?
So to 1 part sugar, use a 4th baking soda. So I did 1 cup of sugar.
This one's still on
and
fire.
a 4th cup of baking soda. Saturate that sand. And we're not gonna cover all the sand. We're just gonna do a nice little mountain in the middle.
If this doesn't work, I might cry. James, are you ready for this? It's the greatest thing you've ever seen in your life, boy.
That's what you said about that one.
Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. There's a flame. There's a flame. There's a flame.
Just make the ring of fire here.
Oh, wait, there it is. There it is. There it is. Look at that. Look at that. There it is. We might have something here, boys.
It's definitely on fire.
We may or may not have something here.
We tried.
Smells like burnt marshmallows.
All right. Well,
Let there be fire!
Maybe we used the wrong type of sugar.
maybe we used the wrong type of lighter fluid.
Maybe we used the wrong type of bowl.
Yeah, I think it's the bowl.
No, I know what it is. We used the wrong type of bathtub.
We'll get him next time.
Oh, wow.
For our next experiment, I don't even know what
He doesn't know what we're doing. Okay, so pour some milk in the pan.
Okay.
Just enough to cover it.
Stop.
More milk.
Stop.
More milk.
I'm
More
trying.
milk. Now, let me explain what we're gonna do here before we mess it up. We have cotton balls. We are going to grab 1 cotton ball. We're gonna dip it in this soap, let that soak. And once this is soaked, we're gonna dip the cotton ball in the milk.
Wow.
And we're gonna put food coloring all around. And once we put the cotton ball and the milk, the food coloring is just gonna go and look all cool.
I think I've seen this before on Instagram.
Grab yourself a color and
All right,
let's
let's do
do
it.
some decoration.
All right, no one shake the table. We're gonna keep this still.
Are we nice and decorated, do you think? That's
I think we are doing okay.
All right.
All right, let's
You
do
ready
it.
for this?
Yep, I'm ready.
Hopefully this works.
Wow, that's pretty sick. That was actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty impressed. What if I just do like a... That's so cool.
It's crazy.
Wow. Science.
Science rules.
Science rules. Then we'll do it right here. Whoa! I guess it only works once. I think we have too much soap and food coloring in here, but that's pretty cool. All right, so for our next experiment, we have had this egg sitting in vinegar for probably, I don't know, 16 hours now. And basically it is extremely soft. What it's supposed to do is it's supposed to take off the shell of the egg. Oh, I think I'm actually peeling it away. It's supposed to be a shellless egg, basically. I don't really know how that's supposed to even work.
It's pretty easy. It's just a shellless egg. An egg without a shell.
Look how soft it is. Look.
It's all squishy.
Oh, wait. I got some cracking here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna try to open it up. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it worked. Yeah.
Look at that. It's so weird. Oh my gosh. I'm peeling it. Look at that. It's an egg. What in the world have we done? Oh, I just cracked it, I think.
It wasn't
Look.
in the vinegar long enough.
Look. Oh, that's so weird. Okay, well, now we have...
Well, if
this.
you want to do this, look it up and see how it's supposed to be done. 'Cause we're bad. You're supposed to leave it in vinegar longer than what we did.
There's our egg yolk. Beautiful. Smells like vinegar. All right, well, it kind of worked. I guess I was being a little bit rough with it. Either that or my fingernail kind of hit it. But I mean, we let it sit in there for about 16
Put in the
18 hours.
comments, rip the egg.
Rip the egg. We have had many failed experiments. But we've also had a lot of successful experiments in this video. I'm proud.
Goes to show you we're not perfect. Nobody's perfect.
No one's perfect.
Especially when we do science
That's
experiments.
just our excuse. You say you're perfect, James?
I'm pretty perfect. Notice how none of it stayed on me? Because I'm perfect.
Plenty of it's
What do you mean? It's all in your neck.
I'm wearing Kentucky.
Unspeakable, 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 the science dude. Unspeakable, the science dude. Unspeakable, 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 the science dude. Unspeakable.